HobbyKidsTV.
The fourth failed me.
Wow. That one. How did you do that? I have no idea.
Whoa. Come on. You have to put it in there, in that hole.
Okay, let's try to put all of that candy into that hole, okay? That's our goal.
We got something. Okay, so you have to get it over here now.
Come on, you can do it, man. Here, let the mask as you do it. Wait.
Oh.
It's not gonna make it. Bam, it's gonna drop.
Oh.
My first one.
Can you get into the hole? Right here.
Wait. Okay. We got two.
That is awesome.
I'm having this right now.
Good job, guys.
Where should I put this?
Press the little white circle in the top corner for more of the most exciting family-friendly shows. Then pick a video to watch. Make sure to ask a parent to hit that subscribe button so you can always be a part of the fun with us. HobbyKidsTV is the best brand trusted by families across the globe. Come on, choose your next amazing HobbyKidsTV show. Hurry, here's the countdown before it's gone. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.